Before ka mag-book og resort sa Samal, check this one first. Not the price, not the photos, not even the reviews. Check the page creation date. Daghan kayog mga fake resort pages karon and daghan og na-scam. Nice kay sila mga photos, barato kayo ang presyo. Pero bag-o ra day gihimo ang page. And if a page was created just few weeks ago, just be extra careful. Why? Because real resorts usually have years of history, old posts, consistent uploads, real tag guests, and organic comments. How will you check the resort page creation date? Here's how you do it. Go to search and search sa gusto nimo nga resort. Like for example, Hamugaway. Click enter and then you will see nga naay mga options no ang Hamugaway Beach. So let's take a look of the first one, Hamugaway Beach. And then pag abot nimo sa page, just click the name Hamugaway Beach and then naa na siya mo pop up. Click Hamugaway Beach. Then makita nimo created July 2023. This is Gongi. Save this video para dili ka ma-scam and follow for more Samal travel tips. Hope that helps. Cheers.